Hi, welcome to 4495 Middlebury Drive. This 4-bedroom, 2-bath home has amazing hardwood floors throughout. Let's go in and take a look. Come with me. Just inside the front door, you'll find the open concept living room, dining room, and kitchen. In the kitchen, we have a brand new stainless steel fingerprint resistant kitchen suite, including French door fridge, a dishwasher with a steamable rack, and a gas stove. Just off the kitchen, we have the attached dining room. And outside, we have a walkout porch, which overlooks the 1/4 acre yard with a fenced-in backyard for your pets or children to play. Just off the living room, up a half a flight of stairs, we have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom, including the primary suite, which features vaulted ceilings and a large closet. Just downstairs from the main level, we have a separate living area as well as another bedroom and bathroom. Just in case that wasn't enough, we have one more level down here with a giant 17 by 20 large bedroom with walk-in closet, as well as our mechanical room with a brand new stainless steel washer and dryer that are GE and connect to the internet so you can see when your laundry's done. So if you're looking for 4 bedrooms and 2 full baths in popular Woodbury Commons neighborhood, give me a call today. Thanks.